Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Edwin Velez here to bring you a new exclusive Cooper & Hunter introduction. Today we're here to talk about Cooper & Hunter's Mia series, which offers a more affordable yet assuredly energy efficient addition to the mini split marketplace. The latest of the series, Mia NG, or New Generation, features the same specs as Cooper & Hunter's popular Sophia series, but with a slightly lower SEER, 19 SEER, and a sleek matte finish to the wall mount. Mia NG models ranging from 9,000 BTU to 24,000 BTU utilize inverter technology to save energy. Mia offers a single-zone solution for both heating and cooling, equipped with innovative features such as anti-corrosive gold-fin coating, super silent operation, activated carbon filter, error codes labeled on the side of the system, and easy-to-clean filters right here on the front of the wall mount. Mia comes with a remote which controls features such as sleep mode or follow me mode right here on the remote control itself. Now with the sleek matte finish, you have a front panel LED display that comes through on the panel. It opens up to that super silent quiet mode and it reads at a 51.2 decibel reading. Our easy to install Wi-Fi kits provide compatibility with newly improved Cooper & Hunter remote apps. Plug it right in. Download the application, and using your Android or iOS smartphone or mobile device, you can control the air conditioner anytime, anywhere. This includes setting on and off timers, as well as presetting daily or even weekly schedule for operation. We recommend matching all Cooper & Hunter units with our quality installation kits, which include pre-insulated 99.9% copper line set, 16-4 connection wire, durable rubber drain hose, you have your bandage tape, wall sleeve, and neoprene. As with all Cooper & Hunter products, the Mia brand is backed by a limited warranty and our exceptional technical support team. We offer assistance Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in English, Spanish, Mandarin, Ukrainian, and Russian. Remember, your unit should be installed by a licensed HVAC technician and should be registered for warranty within 60 days of installation. To learn about registration, go directly to www.cooperandhunter.us. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Introducing the commercial cool ductless mini split heating and cooling system. Our space-saving design offers quiet, affordable comfort. Precision temperature control uses less electricity, making it the energy-efficient solution to maintaining year-round comfort throughout your home. Create your perfect environment by choosing between one of the 5 operating modes available: cooling, heating, ventilation, dehumidifying, and auto changeover. Unlike central air conditioning systems, they focus on individual living rooms and spaces. Pre-charged refrigerant lines require no special tools or training. The split AC is installed through a single 3-inch hole to feed the indoor unit. Installation is easy, but requires a licensed electrician. The space-saving condenser is easily installed outdoors. Allowing the indoor unit to maintain quiet comfort. Maintenance is simple with our removable, washable filter. Our mini split system maintains optimum performance by using less energy at reduced noise levels. Unlike window air conditioners, which can be loud and costly during the summer months, our split system provides a quiet, energy-efficient experience, consuming less electricity and reducing your carbon footprint. The easy-to-use remote control is equipped with the iFeel feature. When activated, the remote's location becomes the main thermostat, allowing the unit to adjust for precise temperature control. The commercial cool mini split system is the perfect solution to all your heating and cooling needs. Live happily and comfortably, knowing you've made the right choice for your home.
When you order your Mr. Cool 3rd Generation DIY Ductless Mini Split, you will receive 2 boxes. There's a box with the outdoor condenser and the box with the indoor air handler. Inside the condenser box, the first thing you will see is the condenser. Beside it are several items you will need for the installation. Behind the condenser you will find the refrigerant lines, which you will eventually connect to the air handler and the condenser. There's also an Allen wrench, which you will use to open the condenser valves once the refrigerant lines are connected, rubber pads for the feet of your condenser, and a condensate drain hose. In one of the bags you will find the wall sleeve, vinyl tape for wrapping the refrigerant lines, and neoprene for added protection. There are also extra screws in case you lose any during the installation. Inside the air handler box you will find the air handler. Under the air handler is the wall template, which will help guide you when installing the air handler. The mounting plate is attached to the back of the air handler and will need to be removed for later installation. You will notice part of the refrigerant lines tucked behind the mounting plate. In the bag you will find screws, extra insulation, and air filters, as well as sound deadening pads. Each unit comes with a remote, with batteries, and a wall mount for the remote. Included in every Mr. Cool ductless system is the Mr. Cool Smart Controller, which allows you to use the Mr. Cool Smart HVAC app. With it, you can connect your unit to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. You will also find quick start guides and installation manuals. When you order your 3rd generation Mr. Cool DIY ductless mini split, you have everything you need to install a heating and cooling system and live in comfort.